Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. I'm Karen Thompson, a former hospital food service director, dietitian, retired family consumer science teacher, and cook. Join us as we travel the globe sampling the world's cuisines. We're staying in the US right now, and I wanted to take an opportunity to show you something a little more on the healthier side. This is a technique for cooking vegetables that I think I demoed every single foods class that I ever taught. Some of the comments kids would tell me is like, how come the cafeteria can't cook like this? Well, I don't know. It's so simple. I know I grew up eating green beans out of a can with a boatload of bacon grease on them. Not the healthiest thing. It was after my mom and I decided to purchase a home together, and she showed me how she really liked to cook green beans, not the way my dad liked them, that I went, oh my gosh, this is so much better. No more canned green beans. What I have here is a package of frozen green beans that I have added water to. That's it, and the water is just up to the top of the green beans. You can do this over medium heat. You can do this over high heat. I'm generally in a hurry, so I do it over high. But the goal is to boil these things dry. Simple. It's been cooking for, I don't know, 7 minutes or so, and you can see the water is starting to boil off. The water has completely boiled off. You can hear it. Um, I'm now going to add 2 teaspoons of butter to this. So not a lot, just for some awesome flavor. I'm trying to get some charring, caramelizing on the green beans, and it doesn't take very long in a good skillet. You definitely want to use nonstick for this. All right, I think they're done. Last thing, some salt and pepper. I mean, maybe a half a teaspoon of salt and maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. Give it one final stir, and you've got green beans that are so much better than what comes out of a can. Let's give them a taste. Mmm, perfect. I sometimes use a little less water and don't cook them, quite as long. They are a little more done than oftentimes, but I'm taping multiple things, but they're still very, very good. Please give it a try. Like, share, follow Cooking with Mrs. Thompson, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.